Okay, so we're back off to see Egg, and hopefully this time round we are going to find out whether Egg is a boy or Egg is a girl. So unfortunately it is the hottest day of the year so far. It's already about 22, it's going to be 28 today. We've got to drive for 5 hours, 2.5 each way, but it's definitely going to be worthwhile, so make sure you stay tuned for the gender reveal.
No chewing. Get off your friend's foot.
Where are we all going today? Much more mobile today, aren't we?
Yeah, they are. They're off on a little.
Egg. What are you doing? So we've got Egg here. It's Egg. There's Lona. And then you've got Sneezy over the back from last time. And they're all facing the other way now. There we go. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going?
This one's going, can I have some attention, please? Ooh. You off to?
So unfortunately we didn't get to do the gender reveal because the DNA tests for Egg were lost in the post, like literally you couldn't make it up, so we have to wait another 3 to 4 weeks. So we'll just leave you here with a few pictures of Egg and his buddies showing you all the glorious colours, and hopefully we'll see you next time round.